What are the symptoms of low testosterone? Do you feel low in energy, fatigued, easily irritable and depressed? Well then, it's a wake-up call. For these are serious low testosterone symptoms. Other symptoms are low libido, high blood pressure, hair loss, loss of muscular strength and endurance, weight gain in the wrong places and sleep disorders. Stress can also lead to a fall in testosterone levels. A reduction in your concentration and poor physical and mental performance are symptoms of low testosterone. Yet another symptom is feeling sleepy right after meals. Obesity can also be a major cause for low testosterone. Low levels of testosterone affect almost every main system in the male body. What is testosterone? Testosterone is a hormone produced in the latex cells in the testes in males and ovaries in females. It is also produced in small amounts by the adrenal gland near the kidneys. Though produced by both men and women, testosterone is seen more as a male hormone. When there is a problem at the level of hypothalamus or pituitary to produce LH and FSH to stimulate testosterone production, it may also lead to low testosterone levels. Other causes of reduced testosterone are alcoholism, radiation therapy that harms the testicles, chronic illness, and excessive iron in blood, hemochromatosis, inflammatory diseases and diseases affecting the immune system like AIDS. Irrespective of a man's age, low testosterone symptoms can affect anyone, though testosterone production starts reducing when a man reaches middle age, also known as andropause. When the testosterone level is not between 350 and 1230 nanograms per deciliter, these symptoms begin to appear. Low testosterone also increases one's risk of getting a heart attack. Fall in testosterone levels are a part of growing old. One has to normalize the hormone levels to lead a healthy and productive life. Many men see this as normal and avoid seeking help. If you are unable to shed fat while building your muscles, it is yet another indication of low testosterone, and so is a potbelly. Testosterone production starts at puberty, but may be affected in some. Some of the symptoms in this case are absence of sexual maturation, absence of a deepened voice, poor growth of body hair, and failure of the penis and testis to enlarge. The symptoms mentioned are often mistaken for psychological depression. So a little medical attention can go a long way to help tackle these symptoms. Blood tests are the most commonly adopted ways to determine testosterone levels. If the level is somewhere in the 400s, the level can be raised naturally. A simple and natural way to handle this is through intake of food like steak, butter and whole eggs. When the testosterone level is in the 300s or 200s, testosterone replacement therapy is recommended. Testosterone replacement therapy can be used, which is an intramuscular injection of a hormone replaced by testosterone. This is generally done on a bi-weekly basis. This treatment, however, produces side effects. If ignored, low levels of testosterone can lead to complications like osteoporosis, diabetes, cognitive disorders and metabolic syndrome. So pay attention before your low levels of testosterone get the better of you. For prevention is always better than cure.